Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can solve the failed to verify username in Minecraft Aternos. Let's begin. First, open up your browser, go to the official website, log into your account, and the first thing you need to do is simply stop the server. Click over here, stop. Now, this might take a while, but once done, you can go and click on options right over here. So as you can see, it is now offline. And then you will see cracked. Make sure this is enabled. And once done, you can now go back and, for example, I'm going to refresh the page, go back to the server, and then click on start. Everything should now be working smoothly as ever. And that's it. That's how you can easily get this done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.